Today, we have a truly captivating and extraordinary experience ahead of us. We are about to delve into the fascinating world of illusions as we explore the theme, the magic of mentalism. Namaste. On behalf of our chairperson Priya Gazdar and her committee, I, Sujita Chettiala, Honorary Secretary of Flow Hyderabad, extend a heartfelt welcome to this magical session. We are deeply honored to have with us the exceptional illusionist Suhani Shah, a renowned performer and master of illusion. We extend a warm welcome to our esteemed past chairs, special invitees, and fellow flow members. May I now request everybody to please rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind. May I now request Flow Chairperson Priya Gazdar, Y-Flow Chairperson Riddhi Jain, past Chairpersons Hina Srivastav, Rekha Reddy, Vani Subhash, Jyotsna Angara, Kamini Saraf, Priyanka Ganeriwal, Usharani Manne, Shubhra Maheshwari, and Y-Flow past Chair Maurya Boda to please join for lamp lighting. May I request everybody to please come towards the stage. The weaver from Siddipet would like to express gratitude to Flow. He bought a small token of appreciation. He would like to gift to Flow. Can I request all the Flow pastors to please join to accept the token? So he is weaver from Siddipet. He is expressing his gratitude to Flow by giving a token of small appreciation. Yeah.
We have Ashwini Garu and Devalakshmi Garu, weavers from Siddipet, who are being trained by Mallesham Garu in doing the craft that you will see outside. You can see they've brought the Gollabhama as a token of appreciation for Ficky Ladies Organization, Hyderabad.
Girls, when Suhani is entering, please, we request no movement at all in the hall. Everybody should be seated. Chairperson Priya Gazdar will now deliver her welcome address.
So, as they say in social media parlance, this is a long post alert because I think all our initiative heads and committees need the acknowledgement, the appreciation, and the applause from you all. What I'll be doing is I'll be enumerating all the work they have done through the year, and I'll be asking them to rise in their seats. I would request you all to give them huge rounds of applause, and I will request Ajay and team to please focus on our initiative committees when I take their names. Thank you. So, though she's not here with us yet, to Artist of the Day, Suhani Shah, past chairpersons, so many of them today, I'm so happy to see this. Past chairpersons from Flow and YFlow Hyderabad, our special invitees, all our trainers and trainees from our various verticals, the executive committee, and my dear members, special invitees too. Good afternoon. The human mind is an enigma, a fascinating space where thoughts, emotions, and perceptions shape our reality. While we often think of intelligence in terms of logic and knowledge, the true power of the mind lies in its ability to influence, to adapt, and perceive beyond the obvious. Mentalism, in many ways, is an exploration of this hidden potential, a journey into the subconscious where suggestion, intuition, and psychology come together to create what seems like magic. But is it really magic? Or is it simply a deeper understanding of how our minds work? Over the next hour, we will witness and discover just this. Hidden potential is something Flow has always managed to identify, encourage, and leverage, be it individual strengths or the collective spirit. Over the last 10 months, together, we have accomplished most everything we set our hearts to, and some more. The executive committee worked with dedication and vision to create a sustainable impact across all levels of women, empowering those at the grassroots, nurturing young minds, supporting budding entrepreneurs, and strengthening the journey of established business leaders and professionals. Our initiatives have been designed to provide tangible and sustainable opportunities, skills, and mentorship that enable women to thrive in their chosen fields. Recognizing the power of the MSME ecosystem, we organized a full-day MSME conclave, released a digital ready reckoner of MSME schemes, facilitated an MOU between National Institute of MSME and Flow National, facilitated talks by our members at various forums for government officials, entrepreneurs, and students, made policy recommendations to the government that found place in the first ever MSME policy of the Telangana government, and so much more. Can team head Neha Reddy, members Soumya Rao and Himasaila of MSME SSL stand up in their places, please? Can I ask them to come forward? Please come forward. Soumya? Okay, so you get all the applause. We are also, right now, we have written to the MSME department asking them to subsidize stalls for women in Style Tattva. Last year we were too late. This year we have already started. So hopefully from next year we'll reap the benefits of it. We are working on it. I would hope that at the end of the year I'll be able to give you a positive reply to that. Growth Forge, true to its name, has made great headway in creating learning and participation opportunities for our members and students. Be it understanding the trade opportunities with overseas markets, the MOU with International Startup Foundation, workshops on angel investing, pitching to investors, business financials, digital literacy hackathon for students, the team has done it all. The ongoing Spark Tank cohort, with its expansive curriculum covering about 9 sessions, is another feather in their cap. Calling team head Radhika Agarwal, members Shravika Chaudhary, Kulpreet Kaur, Nitika Khandelwal, Sheetal Agarwal, Kirti Chintalpudi, to please step up. And mentor Lokesh Nathani, can you also please join? He was gracious enough to come. Is Renuka Bodla here? Lokesh and Renuka have come forward to train our Spark Tank cohort members, both as group sessions and one-on-ones. The group sessions are done. The one-on-ones are going to start now. Thank you, team. Our Mindshare program was a smashing hit, with the participants unanimously dubbing it life transformative. The team diligently ensured that the 16 participants honed their innate potential under TEDx curator and advisor Vivek Verma and emerged fearlessly confident on stage. Congratulations to all our graduates and the Mindshare team for the success of this dream project. I think the team is only represented by Nanda Rao today. Can we have Nanda here? But the team also included Chandini Agarwal, Srinidhi Dabriwal, Amrita Agarwal, and of course, Ishika. Why didn't Ishika come today? And Ishika Agarwal from YFlow. This was a joint effort by Flow and YFlow. You all saw the testimonials today that were printed there, and you can also see them here. The Health Vertical team has organized health camps, talks for nurse trainees, a cancer awareness walk, and a play centered around the theme of breast cancer. The feather in their cap is unmistakably the bedside care training and placement program that has so far seen more than 300, including 300 rural girls find gainful employment in leading hospitals, including AIG, Rainbow, Noora, HCG, and others. On the anvil, and set to start soon, is a pediatric remedial care and activity room at Malakpet Government Hospital, which will cater to nearly 15,000 children in 1 year. Team head Mansi Utpala and member Dr. Shweta Agarwal. Can I also invite the team from the bedside care training program? We have 2 young girls here. And the trainer also. Can you please come step forward? Varsha and Srushti, and Vichitra, the trainer. They work in AIG hospitals, and their starting salary is 22,000 plus perks. We have so far placed more than 300, hoping to place at least another 100 before we wind up the year. The Lean and Mean team of Sakala worked wonders with the Handlooms initiative entrusted to them. From coming up with a new color palette, experimenting with fabrics, and demonstrating to the weavers the value additions that can be done with the traditional Golabhama and Mutyampet weaves, they have done it all. Dedicated pavilions in flow style Tattva, and mobilizing weavers and designers for Anshukam at Delhi, distribution of cycles to weavers' girls' children in Siddipet, and topping the Handlooms Day national campaign also go to their credit. Furthermore, basic and advanced training in Magam work for 40 urban underserved women is another meaningful impact activity of this vertical. They are winding up the year with the upskilling of 10 women weavers at Siddipet, a project we have undertaken under the aegis of the Government of Telangana. Mrinalini Shastri, team head, and Sheetal Tibrewal, member. Please take a bow. Can we have the weavers and the Magam trainer and trainees also with us, please? And Mr. Mallesham. I will carry on, Mrinalini, and then you can join. Yeah? We'll move to the EduSkill vertical, which has conducted talks in schools and colleges and driven the free Tally Pro course completely on their own, from identifying the trainer to the beneficiaries and ensuring attendance, exam preparation, and performance. Hats off to their diligence and patience. In a display of cross-vertical collaboration, the team has also identified the trainer and trainees, offered the space, and monitored the progress of the Magam training project. Most recently, they have facilitated the Dignity Through Sports project that prepares marginalized children for national and international competitions, apart from ensuring education and extracurricular activities for them. This project has been taken up in association with the Yacht Club of Hyderabad. Can team head Sarita Rao, members Sangeeta Verma and Sharmili Chadha please come to the stage? Also, the two girls from the Dignity Through Sports program, please join us here. We also have with us Pooja Sharma, who is not a member, but who has done more than 3 sessions for us and raring to do more. She's just a phone call away. She's a certified NLP trainer, a memory coach. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you so much. She's become de facto member of Flow this year. But I need to take the name. She's worked very hard. So, in red is Anita from Gaurangi. She is actually driving the project for us, as in monitoring the attendance, making sure they're finishing their homework. Harita, can you wave? Harita is the trainer for the Magam project, in which we have trained 40 women in the basics, and now 25 of them, after a test, have moved on to advanced. Thank you. Resilient Roots, our agriculture initiative that manages the Center of Excellence to train 100 rural women with small holdings in modern vegetable farming techniques and go-to-market strategies, is blooming well and coming to fruition. Financial literacy and thrift programs are also being conducted on a regular basis for the farmers. The team has also organized workshops in environmental friendly practices and kitchen gardening at Dwarka Public School and Oak Ridge International School to create awareness among students. The team head is Ananda UVL and member Samta Dhareva, both of who are traveling and not here, but their good work is on display in the stall. Can we have the farmers and Hanif here, please, the trainer? Okay, I think they're still manning the stall. None of this would have been possible without the generous support of our initiative partners. My grateful thanks to McLean Group, Vision Tech, and Swastik Spices Education Initiative for their CSR funding of our various projects. Gaurangi, Wellwork, and Yogi Bear Collectives for opening up their spaces for our trainings and workshops. I would also like to place on record the willing contribution of time, expertise, and experience by Flow members at various venues for our MSME, education, and health verticals. Past Chair Usha Rani Manne, Radha Rani Sunkara, Sujita Chityala, Rashi Agarwal, Radhika Agarwal, Neha Reddy, Ananda UVL, Sharmili Chadha, Dr. Shweta Agarwal, Tarang Indrayan Vaish, all of them have gone out and spoken, represented Flow at various forums. Thank you so much for your time and effort. The mentorship extended through the year by our past chairpersons has been invaluable. My heartfelt gratitude to each one of you. Moving on, and on another note, here are a few success stories shared by our Flow Marketplace advertisers. The positive reviews tell a tale of trust and effectiveness. So we've just been able to enumerate about 3 of them. So these are the testimonials from our Flow Marketplace advertisers. Please come. I think our farming trainees are here. Please, Randy. So basically, that's a center of excellence, and whatever they grow, the farmers take them back. So it's an NGO. I've tied up with a Dutch company, East West Seed Knowledge Transfer Foundation. So they don't sell anything; it goes back. But we can always call for some things for us. I can do that, of course. This is Mr. Hanif, Hemlata, and Sabha. Thank you so much. They've all come from Mechal, Rawalkol village. Our weavers came from Siddipet. Thank you so much. And now, congratulations to the stars of Flow Hyderabad. Sujita Tichala and Shilpa Raju finished the Certified Independent Directors course and they are ready to being recruited on independent boards. And Radhika was handpicked from many, I think 500 applicants, and she was fully sponsored by Government of India to represent India at Italy. Bookings for edition 5 of the Flow Style Tattva are now open. Hurry and grab your space and spread the word. Let's together make it another resounding success. Before I end, my thanks to Suhani Shah for joining us here today. I can't wait for her to astound us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Priya. I now invite Initiative Mentor and Flow Past Chairperson Shubhra Maheshwari to give impressions about the initiatives of the year.
Thank you so much, Sujita, Priya. Priya, you made all of us very nostalgic. Some of us sitting here were discussing that it's giving us the change of guard feel. Where is Priya? Okay, yeah. So, yeah, you made us very nostalgic with a recap of the whole year. So, what I'm presenting right now is on behalf of myself and Monica Agarwal, Initiative Mentors. Priya just called up that, why don't you speak a few words? And I said, you do it, it's your year. And she said, just a few words. I said, all right. And I told her, Priya, can you please ask somebody to just summarize all the initiatives of the year? And the summary is running into about 10 pages. This is the summary. But this also tells us the volume of work that has gone into the initiatives. I'm not reading the 10 pages. I'm sorry to the beautiful committee girl who summarized it. But as an initiative mentor, when the year began, I told Priya one thing, that the ideas that you are coming up with, as a very recent past chairperson, I felt that हमने क्यों नहीं सोचा? Why I didn't do this? And there are so many beautiful things that this year initiatives have weaved up, that the carpet of initiatives and the carpet of empowerment to so many grassroots women has been phenomenal. What surprises me most is the zeal, energy, enthusiasm, and Lakshmi that she comes with. She has enough and more funds for initiatives. Even today, if I call her, Priya, should we do this? Yeah, I'll arrange. And she'll instantly do this. So to all our dear Flow members, Flow is also working heavily on initiatives, on empowerments. You've all seen the glimpses today. Reach out to the chairpersons, contribute your time, energy, if you have the CSR funds, but make the most of this, because at night when we go to sleep, it really feels good to see what Flow has done. When we do a celebrity event, we are definitely bringing a very nice success story to you, which empowers you, inspires you. But when we do an initiative, we go back home with that thought in mind that we are creating success stories from the soil of India. A big round of applause, Priya. What you have done is commendable. Me and Monica are immensely proud of you. The entire PCC is proud of you. We are surprised to all the pastors sitting here. Our initiative group never stopped buzzing. The beauty of this girl lied in her strength that she would come with an end-to-end proposal. This is what I'm going to do. This is the audience which will get impacted. This is where the money is coming from. We were speechless. Thank you. Thank you for doing this to Flow Hyderabad. That was superb.
Thank you, Shubhra, for beautifully summarizing you are who better than you to summarize this initiative. I now request Shruti Malpani, EC Head, Marquee Events, to introduce our guest speaker.
A very good afternoon, everyone. We are all excited to hear her, but let us hear a little about her, what she is doing. So we have with us Suhani Shah, the extraordinary mentalist and magician. Whether you have seen her captivating performances online on TV, or at a live event, she will leave you spellbound. With her ability to dwell into your thoughts, she will have you on the edge of your seats. Just remember, she can read minds. So careful what you think. Before she walks up on the stage, Suhani wants you all to do something for her. Over to you, Suhani.
Thank you so much, Shruti. Good afternoon, everybody. Namaste. Well, that's very kind of you, but I also want to hear a namaste. Fantastic. Now, before I walk up on stage, I want you guys to do something for me. Are you guys ready for that? Lovely. I love the energy. As you can see, we've placed a box with some paper slips and pens right in front of the stage. I want some of you to get closer to the stage, pick up a paper slip. On that, I want you to write down anything you want. It could be your favorite holiday destination or something that you like to eat. It could be the name of your favorite actor, actress, comedian, dancer, singer, or something more personal like a childhood best friend's name or your ATM pin. Jo likhna hai likh lo yaar. Uske baad you fold the paper slip and place it inside the box. I repeat, there are some paper slips and pens right in front of the stage. Pick up a paper slip, write, draw, scribble anything you want. You then fold the paper slip and place it inside the box. There are only 20 slips, so hurry up. Once this is over, I'll see you on stage. Thank you.
We can wait, we can have few more of the members. We are around 25 papers that can be written about. Please come forward and write what you want to write, anything that you feel you want to scribble. No names, please. You can just write what you want to write. 1 or 2 words. No names, please. No names. Please don't write names. You can just write a word, and that's about it. Are we done, ladies? Indu, can they all now please take their places? Girls, please take your place now. Girls, please take your place now. Thank you very much. Can we have the AV, please?
Oh my God, how did you know that? Oh my God!
कैसे किया ये?
That's so right!
How the heck did you do that?
Wait, I see that!
She's right. Wow. That's crazy. That's a good one. Damn cool, man.
Put your hands together for Suhani Shah.
सुहानी सुहानी जादू की छड़ी घुमाई सुहानी
Well,
दिल की बात ये पढ़ने भाई सुहानी सुहानी
thank you. A very good afternoon to all of you. Namaste. Priya, मेरा नाम है सुहानी. Are we comfortable with Hindi, English, both, or I should just stick to English? English. Okay. Everybody's saying no. The question wasn't for you. Okay, so, hi, my name is Suhani. My name is Suhani Shah. Some people call me a magician, some people call me a mentalist, some people call me a therapist, a mind reader, a psychic, a psychological illusionist, an art. You are free to call me whatever you want in a good way. But my basic job is to hack into people's minds. Or at least give an illusion of doing so. Okay. Now, you know, when you it's sundar, it's such pretty faces in front of me. Okay, half hypnotism is going on me right now. Secondly, you know, performing for all women is so tricky. Because I always say this, that what I do is an art form, but the real mentalist is a mother. She knows everything. Cup, where, what, how, when, she knows everything. So now I'm going to perform for you guys. I better be good today. Now, okay, thank you for doing this. So I'm assuming some of you came over, you wrote down something on a piece of paper, you folded it, you placed it inside the box, correct? That happened. Okay, now I'm going to open the box in front of you and I'm going to bring it to you guys only. I'll come to one or two people. You have to mix them up and pick up any one paper slip that you want. Okay? Now, nothing up my sleeves. My sleeves are up. I do not have a single paper slip in my hand. Okay? I'm going to open the box. Who's going to be the first volunteer? Oh, that's an enthusiastic audience. Okay, so ma'am, I just saw your hand first. I'm going to walk up to you. I want you to mix them up. Pick up any one that you want. Keep it with you. Do not show me what's in there. Okay, she's taken yellow. Any other color? Perfect. Can we have a mic for the ma'am here? Idhar mic pahunchayenge, please. Now, before we get into what you guys have to do, Udhar, let me also read out a few paper slips. It's my way of judging the audience. Now, there's a paper slip there and here. Now, ma'am, if you would have picked up this, pura essay likha hai. I love you, Pahal. Thank you, universe. I'm very happy. I know who wrote that. It better be Pahal's wife. Anybody? Mother. Oh God. But imagine anybody else writing that. It's so weird. Yeah. I forgot it's mother's. Bad handwriting. अब कैसे क्या लिख हाँ फेम एंड पीस गुड नाइस गुड गुड रामन खाना है अभी भूख लग रही है एन अमेजिंग हॉलीडे टू यूरोप आप लोग विश लिस्ट क्या देख रहे हो मेरे को आई एम नॉट गोना फुलफिल योर विशेस राइट नाउ अमिताभ Amitabh. I'm not kidding, it is Amitabh Bachchan. What is this Amitabh craze? This better not be Amitabh. Aveer. Mothers in the audience. Oh, they have given me a list only. 1, perform in London. 2, love to eat misal pav. 3, Antarctica, next adventure trip. Madam, cow up. You better raise up your hand. First of all, what do you want to perform in London? I want to know. You're a singer. Can we manifest this for her, please? Yeah, round of applause for that. I would want all of these 3 things to happen this year. Let's make it happen. Yeah? I love it. I'm going to keep this on the side. Love it. Style Tatwa. Woo! Jhumka Sway. This is the last one I'm going to read and I don't want to take a risk of reading that if I read it wrong. So, now, anyway, those are the ones you've written. Ma'am, you have a paper slip. We'll start with you. Can I request you to stand up? On the mic, may I know your name?
Arshia.
Arshia. Here's what you have to do. Firstly, do not tell me what's written on the paper slip unless and until I ask you to say it on the mic in front of the entire audience. We'll do the same thing with you after this. Now, whatever's written on the paper slip, you keep that word in the back of your mind and you give me 5 random words. Random, anything that comes to your mind. Okay, like stage, mic, lights, New York, London, whatever comes to your mind. Okay? The words you give me, Arshia, may not even be related to what's written on the slip. Okay? My job, ladies, is to identify what's written on the paper slip by the 5 random words Arshia gives me. Make sense? Yes, ma'am. No, your paper that you chose. Okay. We understood what is happening? Okay, perfect. So, Arshia, you give me 5 random words. You don't tell me what's written on the slip. Yeah, don't pura act khatam ho jayega. What's your first random word?
Home.
Home. The words you give me will not just tell me what's written on the paper slip, it will also tell me a lot of things about you. Safe. Starts with home. Very safe. What's your second random word?
Power.
Power. Like,
Yeah, like power. Like powerful.
okay. Okay. Home, power. What's your third random word?
Women.
The women who gives us, I never get such nice words. You should see a corporate event I do with men. घटिया words होते हैं मेरे पास. Half the things I don't even think. They'll be like bad. They go to first standard. It's so nice I can talk about men so easily over here. Like, no men. Love it. Very rarely I get this up. There's no men, no? Cameraman is fine. अरे ये तो अपने ही लोग हैं. We pay them. It's okay. Okay. I shouldn't be I should be a nice person. Okay, so home, power, women. This too more sounds like electricity to me. No, I have to get to it also. No? I should get something in these 3 also. But Arshia, there are, like, usually what happens is people give me words, I try to connect them, try to get a story, and then derive the word that's on the slip. But this doesn't give me much. It gives me more like home, kitchen vibes. There are 2 times in the day where we don't think very logically. One is when we are hungry. Yeah, we don't think logically. 2 is, we don't talk about that. Are you hungry right now?
No.
Still such words. Gives me maybe what's on the paper slip is related to food and beverages?
Do I answer that?
That's a yes. That's a yes.
It's a yes.
I know, yeah, that's a yes. I'll tell you everybody, nobody likes to agree to a magician. Okay? So throughout the show, if I ask a question and if the answer is no, you go no. But if the answer is yes, you go like, do I have to answer that? You should tell me. Why should I tell you? Everything else you're telling me only. So it's a yes. Arshia, on the mic, can you just say food?
Food.
Beverage.
Beverage.
You looked here and there before saying beverage. You had more conviction in food. Can I have your 4th random word?
Happy.
Happy. Suddenly went to an adjective. Okay. You told me home, you told me power, you told me women, you told me happy. Gives me like a full, nice, happy, wholesome vibe to the words you've given me. At this point, what I get from your words is, first thing, it is something to eat as opposed to something to drink. Second thing I get from this is that it is something very generic. Because your words are not specific. It's like not a person's name or not a particular city. It's very generic. Like home, power, women, happy. Like generic words. So this is something very generic, nothing specific, nothing local. Maybe people all over the world or maybe people all over the country eat this thing, kind of a thought. I still don't know if it's a fast food or a meal, but it is something that you like. If this was a college event where there were all kids in front of me, I would have said what is in my mind out loud and declared it. But this is not that. Most of you are seeing me perform live for the very first time. I don't think this is a moment I should take any risk. So, Arshia, I will tell you what's in my mind. But I will take your 5th word before confirming it. Okay? So, this is either cookies, biscuits. Somebody has written chai biscuit kind of a thing. Okay? Some nice supper purpose person. Or this is something like noodles. Women cook it a lot for kids too. Noodles. or this is something like pizza because they themselves like it. So it's something in that category is what I feel. Your smile is very convincing. Thanks. I was going to think more, but I'm going to stop here.
I was trying not to smile.
Yeah, but मैं हूँ ही अच्छी. So what we are going to do is try not to react, okay? Cookies, biscuits, noodles, pizza. She literally nodded only. You saw that, right? I was going to take your fifth word. Now I'm not going to take. I think I'm convinced here. You nodded at 2 words, but okay. It's not cookies for sure. Has somebody written pizza?
It's pizza.
It's pizza, ladies and gentlemen. We can show the slip around and we can pass the mic to the lady right there. Thank you, Arshia. Thank you. Hello, ma'am. What's your name? Mike.
I'm Sujita.
Sujita.
Sujita. Yeah.
Sujita, ma'am. You know the cameras rag do ya niche. Don't record the show. Just enjoy the show, please. Everybody, you have it full recorded with those big cameras. I really want you to enjoy the show firsthand. Sujita, you know what? You know the drill. You know what is to be done. You give me 5 words. I tell you what's on the paper slip. There is one problem. Everybody knows what I'm going to do. And in magic, if people know the result, they reverse engineer the act. Now everybody will become a mentalist.
It's a risk.
So what do we do now? Also, if I can do it once, I can do it again. Heh, big deal.
We'll do it again.
Thank you. We'll do this faster. Try to do this in 3 words. Try.
Okay.
Sujita ma'am, what's your first random word?
Past chairpersons.
Huh? What?
Past chairpersons are all our past chairpersons.
That's your one word. Past chairpersons
Yes.
is your one word.
Yes.
25 women is your one word. Yeah, clearly. My 3 words are over. Past
Chairpersons.
persons.
Yes.
Not even one.
Yes.
You are so prepared right now.
No,
Arshia,
I don't think
when you and I were talking, Sujita was like, "Ye tel lene jaye." What are my 5 words going to be? She's that prepared right now, guys. I'm telling you. She's like, I'll see how she guesses my word. She's on full challenge with me. Past chairperson. I'm still stuck there only at this point. What's your second? I don't even want to write. What is your second word?
Entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur. ये तो अच्छा स्पेलिंग भी नहीं आती मुझे. किसी को भी नहीं आती है मेरे को. Wait, you said past chairpersons, you said entrepreneur. You know what? Here's a thing, and a very interesting thing. Rare moment I do this, where I give up my act only. Here's an interesting thing. You know, when Arshia, you and I were talking, you saw something on a piece of paper, you were influenced by it. You internalized that word, and you gave me, like, because you liked what was written, you gave me words that you like. Correct? That's not happening with you, ma'am. You saw something on a piece of paper, you're clearly not influenced by what is written on the paper, and so you are giving me words with your own personal agenda. Okay. So sorry? Okay.
So should we go for the third word?
I love. She's so head first, and she knows. I love it. I love how focused you are. But before we go with the last one, I have a question. Because your words are not internalized, very like, I feel you're not influenced by what you have seen on the paper slip. You're also nodding for it. So I have to ask you, have you seen what's written on the paper slip?
Yes, absolutely.
I know my audience, okay? There are people who will be like, I'll not read only. How she'll know what's on my mind? I know my people. I am very careful, okay? Experienced, okay? So you saw something on a piece of paper, you're not
Yes.
in. Maybe,
Also, I have my
I want
friends who
to,
have
this
seen
is,
it.
sorry?
I have my friends who have seen it.
Okay, great, perfect. So now you have proof. You're like, you doubt me? Okay, no one's telling me, we don't do that. So, no, I have another observation. You're also very tricky, so I want to make sure it's clear. You saw something on a piece of paper, you're not influenced by it, but you have seen it, but you're still not. Maybe, okay, this I'm also not very sure. I'm just asking. If you say no, I'll move on. Maybe there is no text on the slip. हो सकता है ना? You have not responded yet. Guys, you know the answer if they don't respond. There is no text on the slip. You have to answer.
Yes, there is no text on this slip.
You could have just changed the slip.
But we thought you can relate and tell what is on the slip.
Oh, there is something else on. Oh,
Yes, there is something.
एਵੇਂ तालियां बजवा दी आपने. Freaky.
No,
Oh, so
There
it's
is no text.
Oh wait, एक second, guys, the confusion. It's not an empty slip.
it's not an empty
So
slip.
there is no text. Oh, what a language use. Just there is no text, which means there's a drawing or a scribbling or a signature or a sketch. Even I got it. It's okay, it happens. We got claps. We are benefiting. Is it a signature by any chance?
No.
If it's not a signature, then everybody put your hands together as Sujita ma'am joins me on stage. Come on, everybody, for her. Keep it going. Hello, ma'am. Welcome on stage. You can be this side. Ma'am, tell me something. Whatever's on, you can take anyone that you want. Whatever's on the paper slip, if I ask you to replicate it, draw it again, can you do that? It's not very complicated. Okay, take anyone that you want. I want you to join me right here, center stage. I want you to start drawing the same thing on the board. On my count of 3, not right now. For now, I want us, you and me, to stand back to back. Don't get scared. I don't bite. Okay, back to back. Now, I want you to think about the drawing in your mind. No, not like this. Close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed. Think there's a big canvas in front of you. You're picking up paints, drawing the same thing on the canvas. I know. You can open your eyes. You start drawing 1, 2, 3 now. Everybody, drawing is subjective. It doesn't have to be exact. You get it, right? But look, it should be the same thing. Shouldn't be the same. Drawing mess is not. You're done? Well, that was quick. Oh, I took some time to draw. You should take time to draw. You're done. I know that already. Now I'm a mentalist. Okay, now on my count of 3, we show it to the audience. Their reactions will tell us if it matched. Okay? 1, 2, 3, now. 3, I was confused between 2 or 3 stars. But thank you so much. Round of applause for ma'am, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Thank you. Nice. I know, कैसे करती है? Crazy. So, now, I did my first ever stage show when I was 7 years old. I know. It's been many years that I have been performing magic. Quite a lot of years that I have been performing magic. I did not start like this. What you see today is very urban, very contemporary. I started as a traditional Indian magician, Desi Jadugar, We used to go from city to city, village to village. We used to book an auditorium for a month and we used to perform there every single day. I had 2 trucks of goods, 30 people to assist me, glittery clothes, abracadabra, flying in the air, cutting a person, burning a girl alive. I used to bring her back also. Burning is not magic, it was something else. So we used to do all those things. Because I was traveling whole year round, I did not go to school after first standard. So after the age of 7, there has been no formal education. Now I feel all of this was possible because of my parents. Now, I feel some very strong, very wise decisions were taken by my parents when I was really young. And some wise decisions even I took when I grew a little older. And my life became what you see today. I feel the same thing applies to all of us. Our life is a sum total of all the good, bad, ugly, sweet decisions we have ever taken. And it is because of those decisions that we are here today. Do you guys agree to that? I feel everything is about decision making. And especially when I'm talking to women over here and I have this opportunity, I feel, I don't say all of us, but many of us rely on others to make our decision stronger. We have a decision in mind, but we need an approval from either our kids, either our husbands, either our brothers, either our fathers, from the opposite gender to make our decision stronger. And that's where I always feel there are 2 kinds of people. There is this one category of people who make hard decisions, execute on them, move on and learn. And there is another set of people who think and overthink and take advices and take suggestions and they think even more and the right time to take the decision is gone. I support the first category. I feel you have one life, you should always take your own decisions, be it to what to wear or what to do, it should be your decision. Now, based on that, I have an act over here. I'm going to call 4 people from the audience on stage. These 4 people will get an opportunity to make some decisions. If they are able to make all the correct decisions, it will transform their life. It will be something nice. Only if they make the correct decisions. Okay. So who are the 5 people going? Oh no, sorry. Who are the 4 people going to be? Okay, very enthusiastic audience. I love this. So here's what we are going to do. I usually don't pick up people like that because others might feel ये इसके साथ बैठ के set किया हुआ है, ठीक है? So here's what I'm going to do. So Geeta ma'am, you've already been a part of one act, so I won't call you again. So I want your help. I'm going to throw this paper ball at you. Try to catch it. Oh, we both did a great job. I want you to, if you can stand, if you don't mind, and just throw it in any direction. Whoever gets it, if people on that table want to come on stage, great. If you don't hesitate. Don't look down. Just let somebody else come in. That's fine. Anybody near that wants to walk up on stage? Yeah, ma'am, you can walk up on stage. Take the paper ball from ma'am. Sujita ma'am, you can have a seat. Ma'am, you can now throw the paper ball somewhere else as you walk up on stage. You can throw it elsewhere. Perfect. You can come on stage. Come. You can also come. And both of you, as you both walk on stage, throw it one more time. So we have the 4th lady. Somewhere else? Perfect. Perfect. I love that. Somebody from that table, if you can join me on stage, that'll be very good. Round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen. Upar aa jaiye. So, I've got some tags over here. They are numbered 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, in fact, you were chosen first. So I'm going to give you the first choice. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to pick up anyone that you want. You pick up number 1. All 3 of you can step ahead. And ma'am, you can step ahead. Ma'am, I want you to wear the lanyard around your neck. There are 4 chairs behind you. I want you to sit on any chair that you want. You were the second one to be chosen. So, that's fine. Whichever you want. How decisive. You're the next one? Perfect. You're the last one, ma'am. May I know your name? Hina, this is the only option. They didn't leave any for you. Thank you. Hina ma'am did not get an option to choose her tag because last one. But Hina ma'am also did not get an option to choose her chair because last one. Not fair. Not fair. I don't like it. You should get some option. So here's what I'm going to do. Only for you, ma'am. Because you're very pretty. All of you are also pretty. Can you just wear the tag around your neck? Yeah. Yes. So the tag is fine. I'm going to give you an option to choose your chair. To do that, I'm going to request all four of you to stand up again. We're going to play music for 5 seconds. As the music is being played, I want you guys to just walk over here like this is a garden. When the music stops, ma'am, you take whichever chair you want first. Remaining 3, you guys can decide. Fair? Fair? Yeah? We are not playing musical chairs.
So we don't go around the chair.
Yes. Not childhood conditioning. We see chairs, we listen to music, we go round and round. Don't do it. Walk your own. Can I have some music, please? Hina ma'am, you can sit wherever you want. Perfect. You guys can decide from the remaining 3. Are you happy with this one? Sure? You chose first. Okay. So everybody is happy. Does anybody want to swap the chair or anything? Very happy. You want to know? मैं को इधर ही बैठना था. She's like, अब मत change करवाना. Okay. After the tags and the chairs, there's a number being made over here. The number is 3, 4, 1, 2. The tags. The number is 3, 4, 1, 2. I did not make this number. They did not make this number. You did not make this number. The number just happened. I want all of us to remember 3, 4, 1, 2 till the... No, it's not that important. Next 5 minutes. After the tags and the chairs comes my third important decision. I have got 5 envelopes. Out of the 5 envelopes, 4 of them have a colored paper in it. Yellow, orange, green, blue, purple, brown, doesn't matter. But one, and just one envelope has something important in it. It could be a blank check. It could be Didi. It could be jewelry. I'm not kidding, it's there. And it doesn't matter if you guys are rich. Okay? Aati vi Lakshmi ko mana nahi karte. Okay? So you have to behave like those celebrities in coffee shows fighting for the hamper. So, but I don't want any one of you to feel that I am cheating. I don't do all those things, okay? So, that's not a joke, guys. I don't cheat. So, I want one of you to join me on stage who will behave like a judge only to check I am not cheating. Who will be the judge? Okay, I want a rich judge. क्या सेल्फ अवेयरनेस ने मैम ने हाथ नीचे किया है? रिच तो नहीं है. Okay, I want you to have. I'm going to try and shortlist as much as possible. I want you to have cash on you right now. Cash. I want you to have a 500 rupee in your purse. You have it? क्या सब कुछ सब लेके घूम रहे? Okay. नहीं सर ऐसे रुपए मत दिखाओ मैम. This is not that kind of a. What are you doing? Okay. So how many of you have a 500 rupee in your purses? Quite a few of you. सभी cash लेके घूम. सब पति cash देते हैं. नहीं. खुद का cash है. Okay. So again, I don't decide who walks. Look, a lot of times, I don't pinpoint people who are going to walk up and stage because a lot of time there are a lot of videos of mine on YouTube. Ma'am, watch, they are very good. Also subscribe. But there are lots of comments under the videos and some of comments are, ये सब fake है, it's all scripted. Suhani pays people to act in her videos. Suhani is fake. Okay. So first of all, I want to tell those people who comment like this that I'm not that rich. Who think that my job is to travel the world and pay people to act in my shows. Guys, if I had that much money, I wouldn't be performing only in the first place. And that is the reason in a live show, I don't select people. We randomly either throw paper balls or I ask one person to choose another person. So this is what we're going to do now again. You can raise up your hand if you have a 500 rupee note. Darshi, do you? No, not you, but do you mind choosing somebody? Priya. Perfect. I was going to use you for another act, but here you come. Priya ma'am, can I get your purse? क्या बॉस है यार? पर्स भी डेलीगेट है. तुम संभालो मेरा पर्स. चश्मा भी किसको दिया हुआ है मैम? फोन पे ऑन. अच्छा मैम, डू यू माइंड वॉकिंग अप सो यू कैन वॉक फ्रॉम देयर? कम राइट हियर. You can leave it. No, but I need the money. 500 rupees, important. पैसा. Only is money. I'm a full kujju madu, yaar. So baat karo cho. Yeah, no, ma'am, come right here. I'm not going to take your word, but I'm going to take an envelope from here. I want you to fold the note. Fold it again.
How many times?
No, just one more. Don't roll on stage, ma'am. You don't do all that. People who got that joke. Guys, you see this? Oh my God! I don't know why am I so surprised, but I'm very. तो कहाँ मिल रहे शो के बाद? I'm just kidding. Okay. I also want you to seal it. Just seal the envelope. Keep it with you. I don't want it. That's not the important envelope. These are the. You can put this in your purse if you want. This is the important envelopes. Priya ma'am, I want you to mix them up. Mix them up as much as you want. Upar, niche, aage, piche. I do not know what envelope is at what position, but as Priya ma'am mixes them up now, so I 100% have no idea. Man, whenever you're happy, you're satisfied, you can hand them over to me. Well mixed? Okay, I want you to still be on stage for a while. Do you need a chair or you mind? It's okay. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's 1 for each. Here you go. Welcome. Sure. Can you hold this one? What's your name, ma'am? Neetu. You will don't open. Nobody opens right now. You were looking at this envelope. You took that one. You happy with it? Yeah. No, just confirming, ma'am. Don't get scared. In case you want to swap, I'm just asking. Okay, we are now going to create some suspense, some drama, because I like it. So we're going to start with you. I want you to take the envelope straight. I want you to remove the only paper from it. Only not just one. Only half outside. If it's a white paper, you win something important. Any other color paper, not important. Let's go. Bandi kar diya aap. Oh. Audience ko bhi dikha do na. It's a half outside. It's a yellow color. Not important. Sorry. This is a. Scared me for a second. It's an orange color paper. I was like, what? I saw. Green color paper. Ma'am, Neetu ma'am, do you want to swap? Dikha do. Koi sunta hi nahi hai meri. It's a blue color paper. मैं बोली swap कर लो, change कर लो. नहीं उनसे change करना था आपको तो. सुना करो ना, बाल मैच करने से कुछ नहीं होता. Just kidding. I love your hair though. मैम आ गया. Oh God. Can you just open the on? I'm having so much fun. Okay, can you remove the paper? It's a white color paper. But there should be something more with the paper, ma'am. Can you remove that? What is it? 500 से क्या होता है? It's more than that. 1500, ma'am.
Blank check.
It's a blank check. Is it signed?
Oh, yes.
It's a signed. It's not yours. It's a blank. Only seeing, no touching. It's a blank signed. I told you. मेरे अकाउंट में पैसे भी है. अब इतना इलीगल क्रिमिनल थोड़ी करूंगी मैं प्रिंट करा के रहूं. What happened? What is this trust issues? What happened to you? Who did what? Ma'am, I told I want a rich judge, so even you don't get it. क्या ही करोगे आप? बहुत पैसा है आपके पास. हाथ मत No. You have a lot of money, yaar. I know it. But I'm not going to let you go empty-handed. I have a certification for you, a certification of being a good judge. That's for you.
But what did I judge?
I thought you were judging, or you should have, I don't know. But yes, thank you so much for joining me on this. Round of applause for ma'am, please. Ma'am, your purse. Just in case you want to give your money to me, that's a different point. Also, do not open that this certificate, okay? Do not open it up. Do not open it. Mata Rani paap lagayegi khola to. She left it only. Okay. What happens when a decision goes wrong? What do you do then? Mic on karo yaar. Don't put it off. You sulk. What do you do after that? I love the honesty.
Coffee.
मैं नहीं दे रही coffee यार यहाँ पे. And then you feel better?
Yeah.
Thank God. That's what we are going to do now. We move on from this. It is never about the check. It's much more than that. Can I request all 4 of you, remove the paper from the envelope, throw the envelope away. We don't need it. Take the paper out, throw the envelope behind. We don't need it anymore. Perfect, just like your exes. There's a number written on the paper. Can you show that number to the audience? That is 3, 4, 1. Ma'am, ulta. 3, 4, 1, 2, everybody. Not just that. The first thing you chose when you walked up on stage were your tags. What was the second thing? chair. Can I request all four of you to stand behind the chair you're sitting on? Hina ma'am, right? I'm going to walk up to you. Stand right here. Ma'am, you had the option of sitting on any of the chairs. Yeah, you were on that chair first. You
Yes.
swapped to this one. Why?
Yes. I want you to be in the center.
I love her. I love her. Okay, so should I give you one more reason? Although you have a better reason, but should I give you another reason? What's the color of the paper in your hand? What's the color of this paper in your hand?
It's orange.
What's the color of the paper behind the chair? Look, look, look.
Orange.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is an orange color chair. Not all of them are orange. You have a yellow color paper. Let's turn this around. This is a yellow color chair. Let's turn those two around. That is a green color chair. That is a blue color chair. Ladies and gentlemen. But can I ask you to do one more thing before I thank you and ask you to take your seats? You can leave the chairs the way they are. I want you to walk ahead, center stage, showing the numbers to the audience 3, 4, 1, 2. In the same order that you were standing, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay. Now, any four of you could have been on stage. We threw a paper ball, but I'm glad it's you four. Thank you. And you walked up on stage first, ma'am, correct? And you had to choose between 1, 2, 3, and 4. You picked up the first number. You know, ma'am, you could have sat on any chair. You chose the right one. Perfect. Ma'am, you could have just swapped the envelope, changed the envelope, but you did not. It's okay. All the decisions were made by them. I did not take a single decision. Even if one decision would have been different, this thing wouldn't have been possible. And what's going to happen next would be absolutely impossible. And what's going to happen next is for each one of us seated over here, is for each one of us associated with Flow Hyderabad. I always say this, it's the decisions. It's all the decisions. It's always a community and its decisions that makes its people who they are. And it's people and their decisions that makes how beautiful and successful a community is. Just like your decisions have made this happen. On my count of 3, I want to open the paper and show to everybody what's in there. On my count of 3. सुनता ही नहीं है कोई मेरी यहाँ पर. Anyway, this is for each one of us over here. 1, 2, 3. Now that's FLO Hyderabad, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause for them. Come on. Can hold it high. On my count of 3, let's take a bow. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much. You can leave the tags and the papers behind. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for being on stage. You can leave it on the chairs. That's fine. That's too crowded there. Thank you. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. अरे अपना घर नहीं है. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for joining me on stage. Thank you. Thank you for joining me on stage. Thank you for joining me on. Yes, I love yours. Thank you. Thank you. इसको वहाँ से on ही रखो. I'm controlling from here. Thank you. Now, before I move on to the last part of my performance, let me do something I'm known for. Like, this is what I'm known for the most, which is even if you have seen one single video of mine on YouTube or anywhere on social media, you have seen me ask somebody a question and me trying to figure out their answer. So let's do that. To read somebody's mind, I need somebody with a mind that's active and alert. Okay, to do this, pen hai kya ek yahan pe? Okay, whose mind do you guys want me to read? Is there a name out loud you can say? Huh?
Because she has a very... Please step forward. And I'll tell you why we chose her.
Why you chose her? Tell me. I like. There was consensus over here for Jyotsna ma'am, so I like that. I like that. Why are you so curious about her life? What do you
I'm
want?
not curious about her life. I'm very
I figure.
No, I'm very intrigued because with one thought, she will think about 10 different things and then give that one thought. So I'm very intrigued with the way she thinks.
Ma'am, that's just overthinking.
Okay, on my part or her part?
I think on both parts.
All right.
But I like this. Do you mind doing this? You love? Okay, I want you to be here. I want you to be here. Here's what we're going to do with you. Now, although you have been chosen by audience, you are a public demand right now.
Looks like.
Yeah, clearly. All the wrong. That's the right reasons. But here's what we're gonna do. I don't want anyone to feel that I have met you before and I'm stalking you somewhere. I'm not doing all that anyway. But I am not gonna ask you the question so that it is absolutely random. I'm gonna go into the audience and I want them to ask you a question. Okay? Here's what we're gonna do. I also want you to be extremely comfortable, not revealing anything you do not want to reveal. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take multiple questions. Like I'll take questions from multiple people. You do not have to answer any question, but you can choose any one question that you want to answer later.
So basically, I need to answer just one.
We'll choose one question from the multiple questions. Okay, but you don't need to tell any of the answers. You don't need to tell which question you're choosing. Right now, we'll just take the questions. Okay? You are sitting there, so I'm just going to leave this paper pen. Oh, you already have it there, but I'm going to leave it here. Okay, so I want you to stay here. Let people see your face. This is the person you need to ask a question. So if you have a question in your mind, I want the question to be in a way that you think, Suhani can never know an answer to this one. So if you have a question in your mind, raise up your hand. It could be anything. Let's just be very comfortable. Kuch bhi bolo yaar, farak nahi padta. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, where she's traveled last.
Where did you travel last? Or could also be, where are you going to travel next? Because your last might be on your social media. I'm not stalking, guys. I have a job. But still, where could be your next or what's your favorite holiday destination? Yeah, do you mind that? It's good, right? Okay, here somebody raised up their hand. Who raised up their hand here? Yes, ma'am.
What's your favorite color?
Ma'am, too basic.
Favorite color?
Of? No. Yes, ma'am.
What's your favorite comfort food?
Oh, nice. It's comfort food. Yes, I love this. I'm going to go behind. I'm coming there, ma'am. Yes.
Your favorite place to shop in Hyderabad?
Ooh, favorite place to shop? Yes, ma'am.
How many bucket list items are not fulfilled by her?
Oh, existential question. I like that one. Anybody else? Question? Please don't hesitate. जो भी मन में आता है पूछ लो. हाँ.
What's your happy moment?
Oh, I love it. यार बंदियाँ क्या अच्छे सवाल पूछती है. I'm so happy doing this show. You should be in a corporate event with me once. You'll realize
What's your favorite pastime?
Nice. Favorite pastime? Favorite food? Okay. Yes, ma'am. I'm going to walk up there. Anybody here? Question? Okay. I'm going to walk up. Yes.
Who's your best friend?
मैम झगड़े करा दोगे आप मजा आ गई मेरे को we'll see she's like मैं पीछे की सीट से बैठ के देखूंगी you have a question yes
What's your best memory?
oh nice a good memory what's a memory in your mind close to you I'm coming back anybody here okay coming in the front rows as well yes
Your favorite song?
oh nice your favorite song correct walking there you have a question ma'am
Who, according to you, is the next floor chairperson?
I know. Yes.
What is your remuneration for a show?
Mine. मेरा क्यों पूछ रहा है? उनसे पूछना है.
तुमसे पूछना है.
हाँ. मेरे को लगा वो कौन सा शो कर रहे हैं.
It's the same question to her. What is her remuneration?
मैम कैसे तौबा.
What is the most irritating habit of your husband?
Oh, I love it! Most irritating habit of your husband. इसीलिए single मरूंगी मैं. देखो ऐसी हरकतें में खुश होती हूँ मैं.
What is the cuisine you don't like and why?
Why you don't like what you don't like? Cuisine. Okay? Yes. You have a question? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So it's a group question. What's your husband's mobile number?
You could have said it's your. Nobody's asking you group question है या personal को. आप justify क्यों कर रहे हो? You are I'm still thinking, why do they want your husband's number? Yes, ma'am. Oh, you want to say something? Okay. Okay.
What drives you in life?
What drives you in life? Okay. It's a very nice question. I love it. मैम आपके तो सवाल ही नहीं खत्म हो रहे. We love her too. पूछो आप पूछो.
So, who is the most favorite person of Jyotsna from first row?
देखो, people sitting behind, and when I mean behind, I just mean behind the front row. I apologize because इनका अलग ही show चल रहा है. ठीक है? They are having a different show. People behind from the second row have a different show. Okay, so yes, ma'am. How could I say no to you?
Thank you. Feel very privileged. What makes you the person you are? What's that one quality that makes Jyotsna what Jyotsna is? What do you attribute to that?
What do you stand for? Okay, so you've got multiple questions right now. I'm not getting back into the audience, but some of them have been really nice questions. Like, I like, what do you stand for? Or who would be one special person? I mean, I can actually go out of this room and go one special person in your life, but not a predictable one because that'll be too obvious for me. There were many more questions. Favorite color, favorite food, a song, something you dislike has been one question. Something about travel, your favorite travel destination, your next travel. Yeah. Yes. आपका mind read करना चाहिए. So there have been multiple questions. You want to add another question?
I think she asked the same question.
What makes you you? Is that?
When are you calling us for lunch?
The personal agenda side pe, ma'am.
When is your lunch date with us?
Okay, so Jyotsna ma'am, you've got a lot of questions. No ma'am. No ma'am. हाँ, मैं तो ना सहती. Okay, so Jyotsna ji, here's what I want you to do. You've got now multiple questions. Because the show's going well in general, I'm going to take a little risk. Usually, I tell them to tell me what is the question that they have chosen. But here I'm going to take a risk. I don't even want you to tell me the question you've chosen. There have been multiple questions. You can take your time and choose the question you want to choose once you've chosen. Oh, great. Now I want you to also, okay, then I don't want to use my paper because then you think iska paper be fixed. Can I just tear off this? Hi, yaar. You know, doing mentalism is one thing and proving that what I do is not scripted is another whole task for me. So this is not my paper. This is Mary Gold. And ma'am, here's what I want. Basically, if you can use any of these tables instead of anything on stage, I don't want anyone to see it. Once you have your question, I want you to write down the answer. I'll give you
Answer.
हाँ, question लिखने का क्या ही मतलब है? I want you to write down the answer and then follow and make sure nobody sees. Don't show.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm convinced. चल ही नहीं रहा है. नहीं, this is good. This is good. You can do this. I want you to write down the answer. Make sure nobody sees it. You take your time to do it. We don't have a problem. क्या करना है उनको आंसर ही लिखना है मैम और कुछ नहीं करना है पेपर से. Oh, it's my head right now that is working totally wrong. मैम, I told you माता रानी पाप लगा कि आप नहीं खोल सकते वो जो भी पेपर. हाँ, I know. I have given this in show to audience members, and by the time it comes back to me, it's all torn. So now Mata Rani has helped me. Now before you're ready. Okay, let's walk up. I don't need the paper. You can walk up and say. Yeah, we can leave it or you can leave it. You can walk up on stage, ma'am. Round of applause as Jyotsna ji joins me back on stage.
Somebody who likes getting onto the stage.
That's the mic for you. And this is what I'm going to air in front of people and throw it. Nobody picks it up. The only reason I make you write it so that it's clear in your mind. Nobody changes your mind. Now, here's what I'm going to do. अरे नहीं तो दिखता नहीं है. अगर मैं ये देखो, मैं आपको अब आपने जब पूछ ही लिया मेरे को, ये देखो. You see this? And now you see this. Which one's visible, guys? एक तो मुश्किल से तो मिला है मैम हमको Amazon पे, मिलता ही नहीं है. And who notices this? The mothers in the audience. इससे मोटा पेन नहीं मिला आपको. Ma'am, doing performing for more than 2 decades, never been asked this question on stage. हाँ, उनको पेन, उनको ये नहीं लग रहा कि मैं उनका माइंड रीड करने वाली हूँ. नो, 0, 0, whatever given. बट उनको मार्कर से स्ट्रेस है. हाँ मतलब I couldn't say that word in between, guys. Ma'am, can I have you here? Can I have you here? It's so confusing. Okay, so here's the thing. You have something in your mind. People have asked you questions. You have an answer in your mind. You've chosen one answer only, no, not multiple questions and all. Great. This could be anything from food to many. Yeah. I want to look right there. You see that space behind? I don't want you to look at a particular person. I just want you to look behind. And in your mind, you can visualize anything. So imagine that's all plain. And whatever your answer is, I want you to see your answer written over there. Okay. You can start from there. And it's written. No, you're just thinking right now. Okay, हाँ, answer है. You close your eyes. Okay, now you visualize it properly. Add colors to it, add visuals to it. Imagine you're in a, okay, close, I'll help you. You close your eyes. Imagine you're in a movie theater. Before the movie starts, there are a lot of ads that come in, correct? Imagine over there, this answer is written. Okay. Add colors to it. Add movement to it. Okay, open your eyes, ma'am. First, quick observations. There are no numbers in this. Okay? This is text. Okay, one. Second thing, it is more than one word. There are multiple words in it. Yes? You were right. You'll need more paper. Big answer, one word का तो कुछ होने नहीं वाला यहाँ पर. She knows. Okay. Yes. Best friends के बीच में फंसा दिया है मेरे को. Here's what I want you to do, ma'am. I want you to now think of. Do you want to think of all the words together? I might take a little more time if I'm doing all the words, or I'll do just one word, but I'll try. At this point, I want you to close your eyes. All the words in your mind. There are like 5 words. 5, 6 words in your mind. Think of the first word. Second. No, go back to first. You didn't do it that well. First word. Second. Third. Wait, one. So here's an issue that I'm facing. I see different languages. What is happening in your mind? Are you thinking in different languages? Is it one language that you're thinking? The text is in one language or English and Hindi both? I don't know is a yes. Are you thinking in English or Hindi? I know the answer.
I'm thinking.
Don't say the answer. Or say it on the mic.
I'm not even actually thinking in that sense. Right? But yeah, if you want me to specify, okay, it's a
Don't say the
language.
word. Don't
It's
say.
a single language.
It's a single language.
But if I tell you the language,
No, don't
then
tell me.
that's very
No, don't
easy
tell
to
me the
do.
language. Don't tell me the
Yeah.
language. But I see some words in English and I see some words in Hindi in your mind right now.
Okay, I don't know.
You don't know. So that can be wrong. It's okay. I'm wrong. That's fine. I can be wrong. Huh. You should give me a proper feedback. Okay, so I'm going to try this now. Okay. You've chosen an easy person for me, no? Give me water.
She will make you think like she makes us all.
You're looking very pretty. What is more than that? Okay. I think I might know why I'm confused. So I want you to look there again. Look into the audience. So here's what has happened. Here's what I want you to do. Look in the audience. Don't look at me. Close your eyes. Whatever this is, see it written. Okay, see the first word, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now I get it. So confused. So when you see the words, what language are you seeing them in?
In a single language.
Ah, that's okay. So what you're thinking in your mind is in Hindi, but I think when you see the words, you see some of it in English. No, I'll tell you in the end. If I'm wrong, that's also fine, but now I got my confusion. Now, what I'm assuming is this is a happy thing. Whatever you're thinking of is a little happy. When I say happy, it's more of an entertainment thing. It's more than one word. Whenever there's something more than one word, it's either an address, movie, or a song name. I'm going to write down something, but before I write down, think of this thing again in your mind. You're smiling, which just confirms it's either movie or a song. Song pe more convincing, so it's a song as opposed to a movie. That's even more convincing. Okay then. Can I have the mic?
You need to be trained like Sujita, you see. Then you make it difficult.
Ma'am, you made it very difficult for me. Don't worry. You did a great job. Which, by the way, she by saying that she agrees to everything I said right now. So this is a song in your mind. Now, do not hum the song. Do not give me any hint about the song. And when I meant earlier, I felt like the song is that she's thinking of is in Hindi. But when you write that song, the lyrics, you just, instead of writing in the language font Hindi, the font is English. But anyway, here's what I want you to do. I want you to hum, imagine you're in a singing competition, like an Indian Idol, okay? On my count of 3, I'm going to place the mic in front of you. You behave as if you're about to sing the song, but don't really sing it. Don't sing the song, don't hum it, nothing, okay? 1, 2, clear your throat.
I can sing any other song.
No, why would you do that? Why you confuse me? जी भी लोग हो यार. Women, I tell you, steady guys, one decision. Okay, don't sing the song. Don't sing the song. Can I touch your shoulders? That's fine, right?
Yeah.
Hum the song in your mind, nothing outside. Don't go outside, okay?
Okay.
No, that's me. That's not her. Keep the mic down. They don't understand who's singing what. Okay. You look in the audience and just hum the song in your mind. The same song. Don't change.
Okay. I won't. I'm an honest person.
I believe you. You better be.
Super integrity.
Now you sing the song in your mind. In your mind. No noise. Let's do this sincerely. I can get it now very quickly if you are there. Am I getting somewhere? I know this song. That is the song, right? अभी ना जाओ छोड़ के दिल अभी खरा नहीं. Thank you so much. Thank you. You want to say something? That's the mic.
This has been a favorite song for many years.
I'm glad. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. I'm glad you thought of this song. Thank you. Can you have a round of applause for her, please? I loved it so much as to half the audience thought that she's going to think of a destination. No, a lot of their thought. Favorite song? There. Thank you for that. And songs are usually difficult for me because there is like too many songs and the rhythms and those. And fortunately, I knew this song. If I did not, that would be a little more difficult. But yeah, thank you so much, guys. I do this. I try to read people's mind. But I'm a very nice person. I'm great to be friends with. I understand you even when you don't talk to me. But this is also the reason I'm single. You'll get it slowly, it's okay. You should not play cards with me. But I love to play cards with everybody. I love playing cards. I always carry a deck of cards with me, ma'am. Not because I'm a magician, just because I'm a gujju madu. I just love playing. I started playing cards even before I was a magician. Like I became a magician at 7. I was playing cards when I was 5. I just love it. So Indian casinos I'm not allowed. No, genuinely I'm not allowed. Yeah, no, it's true. I'm genuinely not allowed. So out of India I can go. But in Goa, I made the general manager of my best friend. So Big Daddy I can go. We are friends. मैं तो बहुत फायदे की हूँ मैम उसके अलावा भी मैं आपको बताऊंगी लोग मुझे कितना मेरी शक्तियों का बहुत इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. Are you guys having fun? Yes. Good. This was the only option today anyway. अरे कर रही हो. Don't worry. I'll give you the good ending. Even better ending. Don't worry. So this brings me to the last part of my performance, and it's just common sense to know that the last bit has to be the best bit. I mean, a good movie is a great climax. मतलब अगर मैंने बुरा कर दिया तो फिर तो what's the point? So now to do this last final bit, I want all of your support. And I mean this, okay? I really need all of you to take part in this one. And to do that, I'm going to request all of you to get hold of your phones. Get your phones in your hand. Easy thing to do. And I want one person to join me on stage. I remember there was somebody who walked up from there and then they had to go back. And I didn't like it. Ma'am, do you mind joining me back? Please come. Please come. Can we have a round of applause for her? Let's go. Keep it going, guys. Keep it going. Aage. Careful. Welcome. I'm sorry you had to go back earlier. Where's the mic? Ma'am, what is your name?
Roma Gandhi.
Roma ji, you have to have the mic for yourself. Now, Roma ji, you have a very important task at hand. You have to choose 5 more people from the audience.
Okay, 5 more people.
But before you do that,
I don't know the names.
That's okay. I'll help you. You. Now, a lot of people have not been raising up their hand in my performance, thinking that if you are chosen, I will call you on stage and I will read your mind, and you don't want me to do that, of course, because of all the dirty things that you have done in your life. But this is not that moment. If you are chosen by Roma ma'am, I will not read your mind. I will not call you on stage. You keep sitting where you are, and all you'll do is shout a number. It can be a single digit number, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, that's it. Okay? That's all you have to do. So I want all of you to be more participating in this one. It's the last part. Hesitate mat karo, khatam ho jayega mera performance iske baad. So please be participatory in this one. Also, you don't know everybody, so everybody in the audience goes, "Hi, Roma!" I love it. Chalo. So now we are not strangers anymore, but these people will be raising up their hands. Even if you don't know their names, it's fine. You can point out and say who do you want to choose. Whoever ma'am chooses, you give us a number. Others will add those numbers. So for whoever wants to give a number, please raise up your hand now. Ma'am, you can choose anyone you want. Yes, ma'am. Can you give me a number? 721. Wow. It's very specific. 721. We're going to add 721 with, ma'am, who's the next one? Amita, ma'am. Yes. 2405. We are going to add 721. Everybody, 721 with 2405. We're going to add 2405 with
Rekha Moore.
Rekha, ma'am. Yes. Number bolo. 3054. That's fine. उनकी मर्जी. You can point also. किसी को भी point कर सकते हो आप.
I just better Raha.
Yes, ma'am. Only you want to make it 777. So 777. Your choice, huh? Not me. 777. Perfect. 777. How many numbers have we taken so far? Let's take one more. आखिरी कोई number.
Gayatri.
666. Gayatri ma'am, wait. You want to perform in London, I know. You stand up again. You said 666. Do you want to change your mind? You are the last person I'm taking the number from. After this, I won't take any number. So this is your moment. No change. 666. देखो, this is not reverse psychology. ऐसा लगता है लोगों को. Like also in a magic show, when a magician asks you to change your mind, people don't do it thinking, I caught the magician. ऐसा नहीं है, मेरा सही चल रहा है. I'm going good. ठीक है? Like even where was that ma'am? Ma'am also didn't change. Neetu ma'am also didn't change the envelope. She lost the check. So I'm telling you, if you want to change, this is your moment. You don't want to change? So we have got, wait ma'am. I don't want you to like go back home later on and then while you're cooking and while you're sleeping, you keep thinking, what would have happened if I would have changed the number? 6666667, I could have said, why didn't I do it? Why don't I use the opportunities that come my way properly? And then you keep tossing in the bed and you don't get sleep the whole night. I want you to sleep really well. I'm a very nice person. Do you want to change your mind? क्या ढीठ हो मैम चेंज नहीं करना है उनको 6 मैं भी चेंज ही करवाना चाहती हूँ 666 okay I like how decisive you are this is to prove you all I tried my best she stuck to her number 666 thank you what's her name Gayatri ma'am thank you so much last number 666 I need a bigger number so here's what I'm going to do so we had 777 and then we had 666 interesting Roma ma'am have a look at the keypad take the phone have a look at the keypad I want you to close your eyes press random numbers on my phone as many as you want. I can take the mic from you. Close your eyes. Random. If you place anywhere else, I'll correct it. You're going well. You can stop. It's a little too many. You can open your eyes and just read out for them to add. So after 666, I want you to add the number Roma ma'am added.
4,
You can say
439 130.
439130.
ठीक है?
हाँ. I want you guys to add 439130. कर दिया? I want everybody to press the is equal to button on my count of 3. Not right now. Okay? 1, 2, 3, now. Yes. Does everybody get 4,46,753? क्या? प्रिया मैम बेसिक कैलकुलेट करना है. हाँ ऑब्वियसली सॉरी हाँ आई नो अरे मैं ऐसे ही ड्रामा प्रिया मैम इसमें क्या मैजिक है दिस इज नॉट व्हाट वी कॉल्ड यू फॉर मैथ्स तो हम भी कर सकते हैं ओके आई एम गोना राइट डाउन द नंबर इट इज 4 Now, Roma ma'am, is it any way possible I could have known this number? Is it possible I could have known the number?
You were punching it in on your mobile? I don't know.
It is you were punching. मैंने आपकी आँखें बंद होने ma'am I didn't do any such thing after your eyes were closed. It's you only who did it. Like I don't know. She's like I don't know what happened. My eyes were closed. But that's nice. I like it. That's what I like to do the most. To make people believe in the impossible. Where is my judge? Oh, you are only my judge. Ma'am, Priya ma'am, can you please walk up on stage? Roma ma'am, something happened before you walked up on stage. I gave a certification of being a good judge to Priya ma'am. Yeah. Correct? Ma'am? Yeah. I know. Crazy. Come. Get him. Give me a round of applause for her. Okay. Ma'am, will you be surprised if it's the same number? Say yes.
Obviously.
Haan. Can I have you here? And let's open it up, ma'am. Can I have you here? We'll have the ma'am. I'll play music when it's supposed to. She's like, I'll direct the show now. We'll do that. Let's open it up. You can throw the ribbon away.
Wow.
महिलाएं अच्छी होती है.
माता रानी का प्रसाद.
I'll hold it like this. We have over here 4.
Wow!
Look guys, maintain character till the end of my performance, okay? I am magician, I do impossible things. You are audience, you go crazy, okay? That's 4, 6, 7, 5, 3. Ladies and gentlemen!
Great!
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Keep it with you. This is for you. Thank you so much for joining me on stage. You are amazing. Thank you, Priya ma'am. Thank you for joining me. Thank you, Roma ma'am. Thank you for joining me on stage. Can you have a round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen? That's for you. Please keep it with you. Thank you so much. And thank you, everybody, for having me today. This has been a wonderful event. There are very few events where I get entertained back. And this was one of those. So thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much for having me. Also, I also want to thank Shruti ma'am, I think you are the one who thought of me for this event, so thank you so much for having me. Thank you, Priya ma'am, for having me at this time in the month for your entire event. And I always feel magic is a very lost art form in our country. And so when I get to perform at such different places and at such prestigious platforms, I myself feel very, very good that magic is finally getting its due. So thank you so much for having a magician for your event today. And I was doing a briefing call for this event and I was told, Suhani, ye jo mahila hai na, matlab the women in this event, they take things to the next level in their life. Is that true? Do you guys take things to the next level? No, tell me that properly. Do you guys take it to the next level? So if I'm performing for you, shouldn't I be taking this to the next level? What can the next level be? Wow. Who said that to you? I'll tell you. Let me make that special. You guys gave all the numbers. I did not add a single number to the calculation. Gayatri ma'am, 666. If you would have changed that to 667, this would have ended with 54. But thank you for not doing that. And this number, I had already written on a piece of paper, rolled it up and given to Priya ma'am in between the show. But what's even more surprising than that is that every currency note is unique because it has a unique serial number. No two banknotes can have the same serial number. Ma'am, Priya ma'am is na judge. Haan, Priya ma'am, you have the envelope, right? No, it's in her purse. It's in her purse. Oh, by the way, if you think it's, it is in the purse that she took. It's not with me. Come back, bring up on stage. So, first things first. Come on. I know, but before we do this, I want to ask you a question. I did not choose who's going to walk up on stage to be a judge. Arshia, you chose who's going to be the judge and you chose Priya ma'am. You could have chosen anybody from this place. You chose her. You had many 500 rupee notes in your purse. You picked out any one. You put it up inside the envelope. I want to ask you, did I even touch the note?
No.
And you put it inside your purse and you took the purse back there.
Yes.
And you brought it now here. It's a transparent envelope. Can you show it to them? It's a transparent envelope. The note is right there. Can you now open the envelope?
I'm having goosebumps. I so want it to be the same number. I'm sure it'll be.
Even me. In your nicest, clearest voice, can you read out the serial number of the note?
I will read from this side. 3, 5, 7, 6, 4, 4.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. And thank you so much. Oh my God. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for having me for this event. I really thoroughly enjoyed this one. I only have one request before I leave. Whenever we think of magicians, whenever we tell our kids to think of magicians, they always think of a man in a top hat and a cape. The next time you think of a magician, please remember, it can be a woman. My name is Suhani Shah. I wish all of you many more magical moments in life. Thank you. Namaste. I'm here.
Thank you, Suhani Shah, for your incredible performance. You have truly mesmerized us with your artistry, showing us how the mind can be both a source of mystery and wonder. I now request Chairperson Priya Gasdar to felicitate our guest speaker, Suhani Shah. I now request YFlow Chairperson Riddhi Jain and Flow Past Chairpersons to please join Suhani Shah for a group picture. I request the core committee followed by the executive. Could I request the members to please be seated until the vote of thanks is done, please? I now request Senior Vice Chairperson Pratibha Kunda to please deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening. What an absolutely mind-blowing evening this has been. Wow. Just wow. I think I speak for all of us when I say that we have just been mesmerized beyond words. On behalf of Chairperson Priya Gazdar, I extend my gratitude to each and every one of you for being here today. From the very moment Suhani Shah stepped onto the stage, she had us hooked, hypnotized, and completely spellbound. Was it magic? Was it mind reading? Or was it pure brilliance? Well, we may truly never know about this. But one thing is for sure, we'll be talking about this for a long, long time now. Suhani, you didn't just perform here, you blew our minds, read our thoughts, and left us questioning, is it real? Thank you for bringing your extraordinary talent, charm, and a whole lot of how did she do that? And that signature Suhani charm to our Flow family, you got it. A huge round of applause for the queen of mentalism. A special thank you to our past chairs for their immense support. Of course, an event like this isn't possible without our amazing sponsors who believed in the magic before we even saw it unfold. Our initiative sponsor, McLean, our gold sponsor, Oro Jewels, our bronze sponsor, Krishna Jewels and Pearls Limit and Gems, our creative partner, RBC Worldwide, and finally, our gifting partner, Hemis. Remember, magic is believing that anything is possible. So go home with a little more wonder in your heart and the belief that sometimes life itself can be a little magical. Please enjoy the high tea and refreshments as we indulge in some wonderful conversations about this fantastic evening. Thank you.